Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So in this video we are going to take a delete example using JDBC client. In our previous videos what we have learned is with the help of JDBC client we have learned how we can perform insert operation and how we can perform select operation. Now let's get into the delete example directly. Okay, so let me go to the code and show you here. So this is nothing but our insert example and this is nothing but our select. Now let's do the delete. Okay, so for that public, let me take void as of now and delete record based on how. Okay, let me show you the data here. This is the bookmarks data. What I will do is I will pass title from the API. Let's say something like REST client demo, and it should remove those records, okay, which are matching with the given value in title, right? So for that purpose let me take title. Okay, let's say one more thing as well, something like URL, so that I can show you two more items here. Okay, how we can pass on multiple params. Here we have learnt single param, but we'll see how we can pass on multiple params as well. So first build the SQL here. Okay, let's say like delete from table name. Table name is bookmarks table name. Okay, where here title is nothing but title, and okay, title is equal to title, and URL is equal to URL. Okay, so these are the column names, title and URL. We have these are the column names and these are the items that we are passing over here, right? Now this is nothing but my SQL here. Now JDBC client dot SQL I have, which is nothing but my SQL. Okay, now we have param. Okay, what is a param here? Param is nothing but title, which is coming from title. Now one more param we have, which is nothing but URL, which is coming from URL parameter, right? URL parameter. Okay, cool. Now what we need to do, we need to update this directly. Okay, I have added semicolon here. Okay, now let me okay, I'm getting little irritated, frustrated. No need to do that. Let's use this update. Okay, this should update the records here, and it will give us how many records got affected by this SQL. In this case, two records should be deleted if I pass on REST client demo and URL. Okay, I think one record because there were two. Okay, no issue. Let's do that directly here, and let me return a integer here. Let me add return statement over here. Cool, nice. Now let's prepare our controller directly here. Okay, so something like delete mapping we will have it, so let's use that delete mapping. Okay, value is equal to, let's say, get, not get, delete bookmark. Here let's add two things. Okay, title and URL. This way I can take a request body as well. I can take public int delete bookmark path variable title string title and another path variable I have, which is nothing but URL, which is nothing but string URL. Okay, now I have both of them. What I can do is, let me add a return statement here, service dot delete, and here title and URL. Okay, I have both of them ready here. Now I can simply start my server here, and this is nothing but delete bookmark. So let me add it here. Delete bookmark, post, and here what is the SQL we have written? We have written AND statement, so there should be two matching, right? So title is this, and what is the value here? Let me take this. Okay, now let me click on send. Okay, this should be delete mapping it. Okay, now you could see one record got affected. If I execute this, one gone, one more is remaining. And if I pass on google.com/1, this should also be gone. Only one should be there. Yep. So this is a small demo, guys, how we can perform the delete operation with the help of JDBC client. Here we have taken and you can take or as well, not a big deal. Okay. Yep. That's all from this tutorial.